Okay, let's solve another physics equation. This time we're going to use the period of a mass spring system, which is the period t equals 2 pi times the square root of m over k. For this situation, we're going to solve for the variable k, which is a little more difficult because, as you can see, k is underneath the square root sign. So we're going to have to take several steps in order to isolate it. Remember the rules of algebra. Whatever you do on one side of the equal sign, you must do on the other side of the equal sign, and this preserves the equality. So the first step is to divide both sides by the term 2 pi. And when we do this, then we can then cancel it out on the right-hand side. The next step is, in order to get k isolated, we have to get rid of this square root sign. And remember from math class, in order to eliminate a square root sign, you have to square it. So again, following the rules, we're going to square both sides of our equation, which means the entire left-hand side needs to be squared. So the entire term of t divided by 2 pi gets squared, as well as the entire right side. So the square root of m over k squared becomes just simply m over k. Now, the next problem is we have k, our variable, is on the bottom or in the denominator. So we have to get it out of the denominator. And in order to do that, we need to multiply both sides by k. So we're going to multiply the left-hand side by k. And then we are going to multiply the right-hand side by k. And of course, on the right-hand side, we cancel it out. Now we're left with this term k on the left-hand side. So we have to get it by itself. One last step. The last step is to divide or eliminate this nasty term of t over 2 pi squared. So we're going to divide both sides, the left and the right, by that entire quantity. And when we do, we can eliminate it on the left-hand side, getting k all by itself or isolated. So as we rewrite it, that is the solution to our equation. K is equal to m divided by the quantity t over 2 pi squared.